In front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then hit App Cloner over here. Select Agree and Continue and tap on one of your apps that you wish to clone. Then use gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Following that, you can also tap on Rename App Clone and type in wherever you want to. Then save your new name by hitting OK, save, and then tap on When using Quick Functions and tap on one of those options. Always ask or open original app. When you finished, go back. So when I check, as you can see, sometimes you need to reload it. My app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings. Click on App Cloner. Select your app and use blue switcher next to Create App Clone to delete it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!